सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल द नॉलेज अड्डा को, बेल आइकन प्रेस करें मेरे वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, today I am going to discuss what is a combinational circuit. In my last lecture I have already discussed about this, what is a combinational circuit and sequential circuit. So in this today lecture I am going to cover this particular content. These are introduction of combinational circuit, types of combinational circuit, half adder, full adder and subtractor, also application of adders and conclusion. So in last lecture I have discussed that digital electronic circuit have mainly two types of circuit. One is a combinational circuit and second one is sequential circuit. So today I am going to discuss briefly about combinational circuit. So now let's what is basic difference between combinational circuit and sequential circuit. In combinational circuit is circuit whose output is totally dependent on the state of its present input and there is no memory. कहने का मतलब है कि कम्बिनेशनल सर्किट वो सर्किट होता है जिसका आउट टोटली डिपेंड करता है कि उसका प्रेजेंट इनपुट क्या है और देयर इज नो मेमोरी मीन्स इसमें क्या होता है कि उस इनपुट को सेव करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है क्योंकि जो उसका आउटपुट है वो डिपेंड करता है प्रेजेंट इनपुट का। मीन्स मेमोरी कहने का मतलब यहाँ पे है कि जब जैसे आप सीक्वेंशियल सर्किट की बात करते हैं तो sequential circuit is a circuit whose output is dependent on state of present input as well as past input in it has memory. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है कि बेसिकली सीक्वेंशियल सर्किट में क्या होता है जो इसका आउटपुट है वो प्रेजेंट इनपुट पर डिपेंड तो करता ही है, उसके साथ साथ उसमें पास्ट इनपुट क्या प्रोवाइड किए गए थे उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है और इट हैज मेमोरी मीन्स उस प्रीवियस इनपुट को स्टोर करने के लिए या सेव करने के लिए हमें मेमोरी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। बट इन कम्बिनेशनल सर्किट देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एनी मेमोरी बिकॉज द आउटपुट डिपेंड ऑन ओनली प्रेजेंट इनपुट। Combinational circuit do not use any memory. The previous state of input does not have any effect on the present state of the circuit. कहने का मतलब हुआ कि कम्बिनेशनल सर्किट इसलिए मेमोरी यूज नहीं करता है क्योंकि इसमें इनपुट के प्रीवियस स्टेट को स्टोर करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि जो इसका आउटपुट होता है वो प्रेजेंट इनपुट पर डिपेंड करता है न कि प्रीवियस इनपुट पर। कम्बिनेशनल सर्किट के पास कैन हैव n नंबर ऑफ इनपुट एंड m नंबर ऑफ output. Combinational circuit is a character arrangement of operators. Basically जो combinational circuit बनता है वो interconnection of logic gates से ही बनता है। एक combinational circuit transform binary information from the given input data to required data. कहने का मतलब होता है कि एक जो combinational circuit रहता है बेसिकली वो binary information को desired output में ट्रांसफॉर्म करता है। ये आप एक सिंपल कम्बिनेशन सर्किट का डायग्राम देख सकते हैं। हियर यू कैन सी डेट की n इनपुट वेरिएबल एंड m आउटपुट वेरिएबल। यूज ऑफ कम्बिनेशन सर्किट आर इन डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स फॉर जेनेटिक बाइनरी कंट्रोल प्रोसेस प्रोवाइडिंग डिजिटल कंपोनेंट्स रिक्वायर फॉर डेटा प्रोसेसिंग। तो ये सब वेरियस एप्लीकेशन है कम्बिनेशन सर्किट के। नाउ दिस इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कम्बिनेशन सर्किट। हियर यू कैन सी डेट के अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट बेसिकली ALU कह सकते हैं। दिस टाइप सर्किट परफॉर्म द अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन। इन अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन यू कैन से दैट देयर इज एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन एंड लॉजिक ऑपरेशन मींस एंड और नॉट। हियर यू कैन see example of arithmetic and logic circuit. This is adder, subtractor, comparator used to compare two numbers, two binary. Here is PLD मतलब programmer logic devices that is AND gate, NOR gate, etc. Now second one is data transmission circuit that include multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder and decoder. Multiplexer means just you giving one input or multiple output. Demultiplexer means you are giving many input and many input and one output, same as like encoder and decoder. Now third part is code converter. Basically this type of circuit used to convert code from one form to another form, as example binary to binary coded decimal या binary to 7 segment display. तो basically this is classification of combinational circuit. There are major three parts. One is arithmetic and logic circuit, data transmission circuit, and code counter circuit. So we discuss one by one in various lectures. So now uh, start from half adder. Half adder basically an example of combination circuit, the most basic digital arithmetic circuit in addition of two binaries. A combination circuit which perform the arithmetic addition of two bits is called adder. A combination circuit that perform the addition of three bits is called full adder. फुल एडर और हाफ एडर में डिफरेंस क्या है कि जो हमारा हाफ एडर है वो दो बिट्स के एडिशन को परफॉर्म करता है, जबकि फुल एडर थ्री बिट्स के एडिशन को परफॉर्म करता है एंड बाय एडिंग टू हाफ एडर यू कैन मेक ए फुल एडर. The input variable of half adder are called again and return. The output variable are the sum and carry. It is a necessity to specify two output variable. देखिए हाफ एडर में बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जो भी हम दो बिट्स को एडिशन करते हैं तो जो उसका आउटपुट होता है बेसिकली उसको हम टू डिजिट में या टू वेरिएबल में डिनोट करते हैं. क्योंकि अगर एक बात की जाए 1 + 1 that is 0 carry 1, so you have to represent carry as well as sum also. So in half adder we require two variables to show output. One is sum that is represented by S, a second one is carry that is represented by C. Here you can see the circuit diagram of half adder. This using XOR gate and one AND gate. This is our truth table of particular half adder. 0 0 sum is 0, carry is 0, 0 1 sum is 1, carry is 0, 1 0 sum is 1, 0. Same here 1 1 0 carry is 1. From here if implement 0 0 the XOR return 0, because condition of XOR gate is if all input are same then output will be low, means 0. If you provide 1 1 then sum will be 0. Or also perform XOR operation of XOR gate. If all input are same then output will be low. If we provide the value of A and B is equal to 1 1 1 means XOR operation give 0 because both input are same. So here 0, here 1 and 1 1 1 AND gate multiply input. The Boolean expression of AND gate is A dot B, means just you have to multiply both inputs. So now here 1 1 means C equal to 1. So from this logic diagram you can draw the truth table. From this diagram you also draw the Boolean expression. This represent XOR gate or this represent AND gate. So this is functionality of half adder. Now in this picture you can see performance या operation of half adder by providing various input. In first figure just I am providing 0 0 input. You can see here sum is equal to 0 and carry is 0. In second one I am providing 0 1. Here you can see that 1 because XOR gate said that if all input are same then output will be low, otherwise 1. In this case 0 1 then output will be 1. In this case 1 0 output will be 1. In this case 1 1 output is 0 because both input are same. So now full adder. Full adder is a combination circuit that perform the arithmetic sum of three binary number या three bits. It consists three input and two outputs. Its two output denoted by S and C. Here you can see three truth table of full adder. This is a Boolean expression of full adder. This is Boolean expression of carry out. This is two input A and B. This is carry in. This is sum and carry. Now this is what is condition of full adder. When the all inputs are 0, the output will be 0. Means if value of A, B, C all are 0 then output will be 0. The S output is equal to 1 when one input is equal to 1. कहने का मतलब है कि S की वैल्यू 1 तब होगी कि जब एक इनपुट 1 के बराबर है या सभी इनपुट हाई है मीन्स 1 है, देन S की वैल्यू 1 होगी. और C की वैल्यू 1 तब होगी जब 2 या 3 इनपुट्स आर इक्वल टू 1. Point on this. C output will be 1 if 2 or 3 inputs equal to 1. So this is condition of full adder. Now here you can see the operation of full adder. In first case we are providing 0 0 0 and in this 1 0 0. So basically from this figure you can step by step check how full adder performs the operation, how full adder adds the 3 bits in addition. In first figure you can see that key just I am providing 0 0 0. In second one 0 0 1 1. Same here you can see that input 1 0 0 0 1 0 here. So in various figures you can see the how full adder performs the addition of 3 bits the 3 bits number. Now half subtractor. Half subtractor is a combination circuit whose input circuit with two input and two output. Two output means in case of adder there is a sum and carry. In this there is a output and borrow. Difference and borrow. When you just subtract from A minus B, there is two output. One is borrow and one is difference. In subtraction, A is called minute and B is called subtrahend bit. So now this is basically a logic diagram of half subtractor. Difference between half adder and half subtractor is just we have had a NOT gate in half subtractor. If remove this gate, only NOT gate, so this will be become as half adder. If you add a NOT gate, this become will be half subtractor. So this is here full subtractor. Full subtractor is a conventional circuit with three inputs A, B, C and two output D and C. So basically this is a logic diagram of full subtractor. This is truth statement of full subtractor. By following one input you can find out this output. Here is three input A, B and C. Here suppose 0 0 0 means 0 0 0 0 0 is equal to 0. So from following each step, yeah, by considering operation of each gate, we can find out this truth table. Now believe this truth table. So basically in half subtractor, just we have had a NOT gate. So then half adder become half subtractor. In full subtractor, the full subtractor is a conventional circuit with three inputs and two outputs. Or this is logic diagram of full subtractor, or this is truth table of full subtractor. Now application of adder and subtractor. LU means arithmetic logic unit. बेसिकली हम एडर और सब्ट्रैक्टर यूज कहाँ करते हैं, जहाँ भी हम अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू यूज एडर या सब्ट्रैक्टर. काउंटर मीन्स यू हैव टू काउंट सम वैल्यू, so you are using adder subtractor, carry bit adder, carry bit subtractor, biomedical application, microprocessor. So basically these are various applications where we can use adder and subtractor. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.